Okay, so let's start. Meanwhile, daytime join. So, so last class. So where are you? We are in Git only, right? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So last class almost we see Git commands and all. Mostly what are the intended purpose also real time also most of the we are using. So these are the major Git commands. So Git pull and push. These all are the CLI. How to work with CLI. There is two ways we can connect. One is CLI, command line interface. Each and everything we are running via command prompt only. Via command prompt only. So these are the commands. Already most of commands you know what is git status and all git pull. So interview purpose mostly they are asking git pull, git fetch and prepare well and so git merge and git rebase. Next, what is git clone command and so git push command. Next, what is git so revert command, git cherry pick command, git so cherry pick command. Next, git what are this git cherry pick git bash also, right? And so these are the mostly interview they are asking. So what are the difference between git pull, git fetch, git rebase, git merge, and git cherry pick, git revert command, git squash? So if they are asking any questions in git, most of the cases they are asking only these questions. So I hope clear, right? So anyone any doubt? How to this all the CLI command line interface. Command line interface, right? Just go to command prompt and this is also right so how we are running maven and all how we are checking maven and all this is like command prompt CLI command line interface. So each and everything we are running via command only. And but if you come to real time, so mostly 99% they are giving we are work with CLI only. Some cases if they allow any GUI, if they allow any GUI, we can work with the GUI also, graphical user interface. So this is right. So we are going some project and we are right click on this. And if you right click means we are opening Git bash. Correct? Open Git bash here. This is it is open like a command prompt. So each and everything we are executing via command prompt only. Whatever you want. So we are executing like so command prompt only. We are executing like command prompt only. So same way. And so if they allow GUI also, we can work with GUI. That is very simple. Compare it to CLI. That is very simple. Compare it to CLI. So we have to run manually, right? We have to type each and everything via command prompt. So this is there is one more way, GUI, graphical user interface, GUI. But most of the cases they won't allow. If they allow, we can install happily GUI also. There is many GUI tools also available in market. And right now we install git CLI, right? Git software, this is the client software to connect with local and your so remote. And same way if you want to we can install this one also. Now if you go here, this is a GUI, just go and type. This is very simple software only. So Tata is git GUI, Tata is what is spelling, Tata is Tata is git. Anyway it will come. This is the package. See here, Tata is git. So this is the symbol. So this is the symbol. See here, Tata is git is the git version control client implemented as Windows shell extension based on your whatever you want. Okay, this is a GUI mode. You can happily work with. So no need to type manually. Everything I can handle via mouse only. Everything I can handle via mouse only. So this is a GUI software and just install it. See here, this is a open source and needs you can help So get involved our so donated get support manual whatever you want we can install. So if we click on this, so now it is asking download. See here the power of Git in Windows shell prompt, and these are the different flavors. Whatever you want we can download. So whatever you want we can download. Okay. So whichever you want, just free download it. Just click on this anyone, and we can automatically down. There is one button, right? So provide the button. Click on download. Now see here. Now same it is asking. So downloaded, donated for Windows 32-bit operating system and for Windows 64-bit operating system or ARM. Okay, this is for Linux. So please select whichever you want. So now my operating system is 64-bit. Click on this. That's it. So see here how much, what is the size of this software? 21 MB only. 21 MB only. So what is the size of this software? So 21 MB only. Okay. So now see here, it is downloaded. Same. So go to browser. How to download? Go to browser. Just type and Tata is Git. If you click on this, this is a GUI software. So like this we can play with. Now we'll see how it will work. Go to here. So Tata is Git and just click on download. Click on download, and if you click on download it is asking so for 32-bit, for 64-bit, what Linux flavor. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? This is very simple software only. First download. Clear, Sadik? Right, clear. This is very simple only. So once it is downloaded, now go to that path. Where is it is downloaded? Go to download folder. So installation is not a big deal. This is very simple only. All right. So DevOps tools installation is very simple only. This is the downloaded. Just double click on it and blindly click next up to finish. See here. Welcome to Tata's Git 2.115 and click on next and click on next. Click on next and this is a path. So in our mission, this is the location of so installation path. C colon program file start as Git. Click on next. Click on install. That's it. It is asking permission. Yes. That's it. No need to do anything. Now see here. Show run wizard. Yes. If you want to run, click on finish. Now it will open that prompt. See here. It is next. Next. Git point next. Okay. So this is my email ID. Already this is my GitHub. How it is connecting means my GitHub user ID. This is my GitHub email ID. So automatically it is picking. Click on next and finish. That's it. No need to do anything. Now earlier if you see we cannot see one option. Now if you observe here extra we can see one more option. See here data is Git. See here. Earlier we can see only these two options. Open Git GUI here, open Git bash here. Clear? Now just now I installed right GUI software. Just now I installed GUI software. If you right click anywhere and so click on show more. Now we can see extra these three options. I hope clear, right? Anyone any doubt here? How to install? Now can you see? Can we sound that? Or Sadik? Clear? See Git clone, Git create repository here, dot is Git. Clear, Uday? So once this is installed in our mission also we can see if anyone connected laptop parallelly we can download. So మనకు ముందు ఈ టూ ఆప్షన్స్ చూడ ఇవే డిస్ప్లే ఉంటాయి. సో ఓన్లీ git GUI git bash. Just now I installed GUI, right? Now we can see git clone and git create repository here data is git. That's it. Now installation is done. There is nothing. Okay. Now how to play with GUI? Anyone any doubt here? Installation path? Karthik, clear? Now just go to browser, just download it. That's it. So once download is done, blindly click next, 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 finish it. Now how to play with? Now if you want to push, if you want to uh, push files from local to central, so what are the commands we are using? For example, this is the central repository, and this is the central, and this is the local repository. I hope, right? Now if you want to push file local to central, we are using few commands, right? What are those commands? Anyone? This is the central, this is the local. If you want to push files from local to central, we used few commands. What are those commands? ఏమి వాడాలి మనం? Anyone? Git first create the file, right? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
File name. Next command, git add command. Next,
Git
git
commit minus
commit minus m command. Next, last command, git push command. So we can pass origin branch name also. So these many commands we need to type manually, CLI mode. So these many commands we have to type manually in CLI, command line interface. But industry, most of the cases we are using this one only. So that is the reason first we learned so CLI commands. Now we know GUI, right? GUI, graphical user interface. Once you install GUI, we can see like this. Now this is my repository, right? What is my repository? November. Now go to this and right click and open. So here also we can open, or else I will show you scratch level. For example, this is my Git repository. So if you want to clone, which command we are using? If you want to clone repository from local to central to local, which command we are using? Git clone -b branch name, correct? Branch name, and we are using repository URL, repo, correct? Anyone any doubt here? This is the command. Yes or no? Now same way I need to clone repository from GUI. How it will work? Now see here, just I am creating one folder. So for testing, just I am giving so testing. So now here I want to clone the repository. Now first before cloning, so go to GitHub my account, GitHub account. So go to my GitHub account, go to my GitHub account, click on here. Anything, click on this, whatever repository you want or anything, select this one, select this one, and this repository I want to clone by GUI level. See, copy this, and if you want to clone CLI, this is a command, git clone -b branch name and repository URL. Now I used GUI, right? Now click on this. No need to open command prompt. Right click, go to here. There is one option is there, git clone command. There is one option is there, git clone. If you click on git clone, now it is asking like this. See here, repository URL. Which repository? This is already I copied, right? So automatically it is coming here. And so directory path, where you want to download this repository, this is my local path. T colon users HP desktop testing directory under the I need. And so just I'm clicking OK only. I'm clicking OK only. See here, if I click on OK, now see here, remote. It is see here, remote. So success done. Click on close. Now observe here. Now see everything coming or not? Yes or no? Anyone any doubt here? Same only. So this is the GUI. GUI means very simple only. Very simple only. Very simple only. So no need to do so anything and all. Anyone any doubt here? Go to here and so go to, and here also we can check that version also. Now okay. Now clone is done. Now I'm going to modify. Actually, it will display some colors also. If I restart, it will work everything. Now you can see only one color, right? Now it will display green, red, and all some colors also. Modified files and synced files. So those and all also we can see. But anyway, I need to restart. Okay. Now, so I want to push file. I want to change something my local machine, and I want to push it. So now if you observe here, right click, go to show more properties, and here we can see one more option also, Git. If you observe here, I cloned my repository. And what is the default branch name? It is coming. Which branch it is by default? It is coming. A branch within the origin. See here. What is the branch name? Did I mention any branch name? నేను బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్ మెన్షన్ చేశానా క్లోన్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు? సార్ నా నేను క్లోన్ అని కొట్టాను కదా, గిట్ క్లోన్. సో ఈ క్లోన్ కొట్టిన తర్వాత నేను బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్ ఏమైనా మెన్షన్ చేశానా లేదా? సీ హియర్. వినిపిస్తా ఉందా వినిపించలేదా? ఎనివన్ రెస్పాన్స్. హలో.
Sir.
See, now this is a master. Now what you understand? If you are not mentioning any branch name, by default, which branch it will come? Master only. Blindly remember. Even if you use CLI command also. So even if you use CLI command also, git clone. If you are not mentioning any branch name, if I use a URL, by default, which branch it will come? Which branch? Default branch name is master only. Don't confuse here. Branch name, it will come only master. No. But real time, mostly we want to work with master. I want to work with different branch. Now observe here. I want to clone not master. I want to clone development branch. I need to clone development branch. So how to clone this one? Now see here. Right click. I'm creating one more directory for your understanding purpose. Just assume dev branch. Okay. This is the dev branch. Same story only. Open this. Right click. Go to here. Click on the git clone command. And so this is same URL. This is my repository URL only. And this is my local directory. And there is one more option is there. Select branch name. So I don't want master. I don't want master. I want clone only specific branch name. Now observe here. Which branch you want? Tell me. If మనకి ఏం కావాలి? Not master. I need which branch? Development branch code. I don't want master development. Now type dev. That's it. Branch name. Whatever branch name here we can see, just give that branch name. Select this one and so click on OK. That's it. Now see here done. See here done. Now see, open this one or right click. How to see whether it is this is master branch or whether it is local. This is dev branch. Go to show more properties. There is one more option is there, git. Now observe here. I hope clear. సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఏ బ్రాంచ్ వచ్చింది? స్పెసిఫిక్గా స్పెసిఫిక్ బ్రాంచ్. నాకు డెవలప్మెంట్ బ్రాంచే కావాలి. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ మాస్టర్ బ్రాంచ్. So generally real time also we won't, mostly we are not going to work with development, that is master branch. Mostly we are work with dev branch, test branch, feature branch only. Now just assume I'm going to modify one file here. I'm going to modify. Generally if you want to modify, we are using editor, right? VI command, correct? In CLI mode, if you want to modify anything, we are using VI command. VI and file name, and we are modifying. And if you want to save the file, escape colon, we are using save and X. I first we are pressing insert I, press I means insert. I means here insert. Once insert is done, we are modifying, update the content, update the data, and so if you want to save the file, if you want to save the file, what is the command we are using? We can use WQ, or simply we can use X also. Save and quit the file. These many commands we are pressing in CLI command line. But right now I am in GUI, right? I am in GUI. For example, I want to modify this one. Right click any file. You know, right, how to modify, how to open any file. For example, DevApps. Open this. Same. Open so Visual Studio or Notepad plus plus wherever you want. I open and updated file for GUI. Just I given some comment. Now save. Control. There we need to give escape colon X and all, right? But it's really this is a GUI, right? Save it. That's it. That's it. Now, if you want to push this file to central repository, what are the commands we are using? These many commands: git add command, git commit command, git push command. I hope you got it right. Right, clear. So మనం push చేయాలంటే 3 commands యూస్ చేస్తాం CLI లో. But right now I am in GUI, right? See how simple here. Now this is a file. Now right click on this file, go to show more and go to here, or directly we can, first I will show you, this is repository, right? If you go here and see here, there is one option, git commit. So if you click on git commit, if you click on git commit, so generally we are using these many commands: git add command dot and git commit. We are passing message, and finally we are pushing local to central. Now this is my file. I modified this file. This is a local, and this data we cannot see in central. Even if you want to observe, this is the dev, right? If I click, I modified this file. I can't see anything here. Updated data. Now I want to push that data to central to local. How it will come? Go to here. Go to here. Right click and so go show more, and this is the option git commit. If you use git commit, now see here, this is a message. Message means that is equal to this command, that is equal to this command, so that is equal to this command. What is this? This command. Message means we need to give some message. What message? Updated file. What file? Updated also. Updated the file. What is file? That is whichever file you created. DevApps, right? DevApps file. Okay. Now, now here see, suppose you modified 10 files or 15 files or 100 files. Here we need to select the file. See here, changes made. So as of now, I modified only one file. So that is the reason I selected only devaps.txt. Suppose if you modify 10 files, we can see 10 files. So do you want to really push all these files? అంటే మీరు ఏం ఫైల్స్ మాడిఫై చేస్తారు అన్ని ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు. If you want to push అన్ని ఫైల్ పుష్ చేయాలంటే select all. No, I want to push only specific file. So that is the reason I selected only here. I have only one modified file. Now we can see only one file. Now if you go down, if you go down, if you go down, there is one more option. If you go down, there is one more option. If you go down, there is one more option. See here, there is a commit. See here, merges only. See here, only merges only. Under if you click on here, we can see three more options: commit, recommit, commit and push. Only we need commit, or only we have to recommit it, or only push, commit and push. సో వాట్ యు వాంట్ అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఓన్లీ కమిట్ కావాలా మళ్ళీ పుష్ చేసుకోవాలా? నో, ఆల్రెడీ మై ఫైల్ ఈజ్ అప్డేటెడ్. నౌ లాస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఐఎమ్ సెలెక్టింగ్ కమిట్ అండ్ పుష్. సో నాకు కమిట్ అవ్వాలి ఫైల్, ఆటోమేటిక్లీ ఐ వాంట్ పుష్ ఇట్. See here, I am selected commit and push. Now see here, automatically it is giving authentication fail. So authentication fail means invalid username password. So here my Git is unable to authenticate. Okay, I need to restart, otherwise it won't work. Authentication fail. Okay, anyway, if you click on this, now it will work. So now automatically file will push to local to central. File will push to local to central. Clear? Anyone any doubt here as of now? Let me check that one. My authentication. Go to here settings. Go to here settings. There is a credential option. And so let me give URL, helper name, username. This is my username only. Yahoo.com. So helper user, this and all not mandatory. Excel global system credential. And I'll still keep Windows. All some options limited in order to. Okay, I'm selecting this one URL. Mm, Anyway, no need to pass this and all, but anyway, it will work. After install the software, we need to restart. So we need to restart. So that is the reason it is asking credential problem. But if I restart everything, it will work. Okay. Now see here. So now clear, guys. These are the commands. Only two steps. Only two steps. Only two steps. Just now only I installed the package, right? I installed the software, and that is the reason. So that credential is not updated properly. Credential is not updated. Same story only. So for example, I modified this one, and so first let me open this one modified file, and so this is the updated file. Once updated file, just save it. Okay, file is updated. Which file updated? Jenkins file, right? Check it. GY not updated. Updated file. If you want to save, Control S. If you want to save, Control S. Save the file. Close it. And so how to push it? Now let me change two more files also. I'm going to change two more files. I'm going to change two more files. So this is sample text file. Control S save. Now I modified two files. I modified two files. Now if you go here, right click, open, go to show, and see git commit. Now see here. Here how many files it is showing here? Modified files. How many files it is showing here? Modified files. So modified. I don't want this file. I want to push only this file. Now update the content. Updated Jenkins. And so now go to here, commit and push only. Just click on this. Commit and push only. And click on OK button. Click on OK. Commit and push. Now check it. If it is not working, I need to restart my mission. Now see here token ID. So go to here, and so where is my token? Already updated my. Go to E drive, and so desktop. Where is my here? Git, and so this is my token ID. So this is my token ID. Already I copied, right? So this is my token ID. Copy this my token ID and go to here. Just select. I hope everyone know, right? How to generate token ID. Paste it. Click on sign in. If it is not working, so I need to restart my mission. Otherwise, it won't work. So otherwise, it won't work. Just now only I restart, I installed, right? Clear? Anyone any doubt here? I'm going to restart my mission. Otherwise, it won't work. Hello? Clear, Karthik? Sadiq, clear?
Yes, sir.
Just now only I installed, right? So that is the reason my credential is not updated properly. If I restart, it will work. If I restart, it will work. Okay, now I need to send two URLs. Now otherwise the commands and all it won't work. Commands and all it won't work. So it will get stars and all. Mm, 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 mm. Restart is mandatory only. Credentials only. Manager credential username at yahoo.com. If you want to update, we can update here. This is the section and system only. Okay, save it. Then okay, I given my credential. Click on okay. What is this? Global. Save. Okay, right click. Go to here. Git data is git settings and go to credential section. I don't want this is enough my credential. Configure type globally manager. Okay. Okay, if it is not working, so I can restart. First try it. Now go to here. I think it won't whether it will work or not. I don't know. Just I'm changing. Try it. Testing. Control S save. Control S save and close it. Right click and go to here. Go to here. Right click. Right click. Open. Two more. Sorry. I want to change these two files or else I do only one file. Updated test t file and commit and push only. Now token ID. Go to here. Where is my token ID? So I need to copy my token ID. Where is my token ID? Here only, right? Git. Where is Git? Jenkins, Git, not this. Leave it. The webs. Okay, let me open here. Git. I think I don't know whether this is my credential, correct credential or not. Anyway, here I have two credentials, which are correct one. Here also is there, here also is there. Maybe this one or this one. Both are same or wrong. This is different, right? This is different. TP, which is correct. Let me try this one. Already I tried this one, right? I don't know, or else we can generate new token ID. That is wrong username. B. IDDY add password. Mhm. Or else I need to check my credential, password and all. I need, otherwise it won't work. So can I restart now? Just hold on. Again, I will restart and I will connect. Okay. Okay, Sadiq.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can reconnect. Mm, 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 mm. Just let me stop it.